How to make a photo collage on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and simply tap on the templates to search for photo collage. So here you can even start with blank canvas and you can select custom size and everything. And if not, you can simply select among the templates as well. So I'm going to select on a random template over here, and as I select on the template over here, you can simply just replace the media over here and you'll be able to create your own photo collage on Canva with minimum effort. So you can simply tap on the picture that you'd want to replace and then tap on the replace option at the bottom left corner of the screen. So let's wait until it pops up the option for us. So let's tap on the photo and then tap on replace and select a random one or select whichever is more convenient for us. So I'm gonna select a random picture. So let's wait. I'm gonna select a picture over here and there you go. So you can replace all other pictures over here as well and you'll be able to create a photo collage on Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.